It's a strange thing, time, isn't it? When you're bored, it feels like it moves at a snail's pace. And when you're having fun, time truly flies, doesn't it? But when I'm cleaning, there never seems to be enough time. And yet cleaning hasn't changed in decades. Look over there. See the way she's cleaning? Can you believe we still do it like that today? The world changed at a rapid pace, but cleaning stayed the same. It is time that we change the way that you think about cleaning again. Much better. But now, let me change the way I clean. We call it the iwalk. This allows me to take care of the more important stuff. Welcome, sir. Let's check you in. iwalk. The future of cleaning starts now.